Hello guys, welcome to my channel, An Easy One. So I came across this Telegram bot which mines free Dogecoin without any investment. So in this video, we'll be talking about this Telegram bot to know if it is legit or a scam bot. But before we get started, all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel, An Easy One, as we are getting close to 1K subscriber. Thanks to you guys. So as you can see that this miner has been mining Dogecoin in the bot and also mining the rich app token. So as you can see on my dashboard that I currently have about 3,000 rich app token and also 954 Dogecoin, which I'm going to withdraw right now in this video. So I'm not going to explain much in this video about this bot because we don't know if it's a legit or scam bot. So you can see my hash rate and the Doge, which it has mined for me. So this bot might be requesting for ton transactions. So I'm going to advise you not to participate in any ton transactions because it might be risky. I know most of you are farming this bot, but if you have withdraw from this bot, do well to comment down below. So about the withdrawal process, let's go ahead and withdraw our free Dogecoin. So click on wallet, then go ahead and click on withdraw. But before that, you must insert your Dogecoin address, then click withdraw. So you can see that the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 Dogecoin, but currently I have about 954 Dogecoin. So once I reach up to 1,000 Dogecoin, I'm going to make a video on the withdrawal to know if this bot is legit or scam. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, An Easy One. So peace out.